clear. Most COVID outbreaks are happening in vulnerable, essential workplaces, and outdoor activities are safe and should be open. That's why for weeks I've been urging the Premier to focus on where the outbreaks are happening, vulnerable workplaces, and to reopen safe outdoor activities. This is an equity issue, Speaker. Not everyone has a yard to play in. Not everyone can work from home. So, Speaker, will the Premier follow the advice of scientists and public health experts by opening safe outdoor activities and focusing in on where the virus is spreading, vulnerable indoor workplaces?
Minister of Health.
Thank you, Speaker, and thank you to the member for the question. We are encouraging people to be outdoors. We encourage parks are open, trails are open. People can be outdoors to enjoy it, walking, biking, whatever they wish to do, taking the dog out for a walk. People can be outdoors. I understand what you're saying with respect to equity, but with all due respect, parks are open to everyone to be out and enjoy. So there is no equity issue here in terms of availability of outdoor spaces. People can be outdoors and we encourage them to do so. But today is not the day to open up everything. We are watching this on a daily basis. This time will come. This is not forever, but today is not the day.
Supplementary.
Speaker, trust, public trust is vital to combating COVID, and trust is built when you make decisions based on evidence and science. Most of the spread is happening in vulnerable workplaces, not outdoors, not by travel. Yet the Premier seems to be focusing all of his energy on closing outdoor activities and blaming the federal government for his mistakes. So, Speaker, I'm asking the Premier to make a pivot today. Will the Premier start focusing on what experts are calling the blind spot in the government's response to COVID and mandate medical-grade PPE in vulnerable indoor workplaces and mandate that they have proper ventilation in vulnerable workplaces?
Minister of Labour, Training and Skills Development.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. The health and safety of every single worker in this province is our government's top priority. That's why, Mr. Speaker, we've done now more than 50,000 inspections and investigations related to COVID-19 in workplaces across the province. We've now issued more than 55,000 orders to improve conditions in those workplaces, and we've now shut down 91 unsafe workplaces and job sites across the province. But, Mr. Speaker, we've gone even further. We've now hired more than 100 new health and safety inspectors. That brings the ministry's inspectorate to the largest number in provincial history. We have more than 200 guidance documents and posters and tip sheets and videos in dozens and dozens of languages available at ontario.ca/COVID safety. Mr. Speaker, we'll continue to protect the health and safety of every single worker in this province.
Thank you. The next question, the member for Toronto Centre.
Thank you so much.